And here I have FitVille extra wide walking shoes. These are the Rebound core version. This is sandy gray, and I've been wearing these for a while. Very nice shoe, very durable and strong. You can see the bottom has a flat bottom, but the big thing with this design is the wide toe box. So you're not jamming your feet into a small size shoe. But so that you have bunions or have any toe issues, anything like that, these are going to solve that problem for you if you have a wider foot. But this is the design. Just wanted to show you how durable they are. Have a good sole, like 3 layers of thickness down here. Definitely feel good. This is what the insert looks like. Has a good pad to it as well. These are size 12, and the size is really good as well. So definitely fits great. This is the Rebound core. There are other versions like a Stride core. But what's cool is the packaging. Here's the box that you get. And also each shoe comes with its own bag when you get it. So it keeps each shoe nice. And you can probably, I suppose, store them in there as well. But anyway, FitVille and Rebound core. Highly recommend. Definitely check them out.